A new crypto project is making waves and you don't need any investment or mining rig to join. It's called Rubi Network, and with just your phone you can start earning free Ruby tokens daily. Whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this mobile mining platform is simple, fast and growing fast. Let me show you how it works and why it's gaining attention right now. So stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video, because I'm going to be revealing something secret at the end of this video, which is how you can actually apply for KYC on Rubi Network. So the very first thing you have to do is just for you to head over to your Google Play Store and click on the search bar right there, or you can go to the description of this video and click the link right there to take to the application, and you just have to download it. So I'm just going to type in Ruby right here, and as you can see, it's at the top. Just click on it and install it. As you can see, my own has already been installed, so I just have to open it and go to the registration process. So for you to register, you just have to click on this registration button here. Just click on register and you click on register with Google. So after clicking on register with Google, it pop up multiple of your Google accounts, and you just have to select the one you want to use. So I'll just click on this one, equals 3347. Click on continue, and I just have to put in the username. Let me say Tega42, and let me put in a phone number. Select Nigeria, and I'll just put in so I put in a password, and confirm the password. Make sure you put a password you can remember. Don't put password that you cannot remember. Put in password you can remember, very important. So the confirmation is done. In this referral code, you just have to put in a referral code of the person that invites you. So you can also put in my referral code, which is 347 0814782. This is actually my referral code. It's at the one at the top of the screen. Just type it in your own and click on continue. So I'll take this confirm with terms and policy. I'll click on register, and as you can see, you are successfully registered. So I'll click on sign in, and I'll put in my password for me to actually sign in. It doesn't need much stress. It's stress free. So I'll click on sign in, and as you can see, this is the home page of this platform. As you can see, start the mining session of Ruby by pressing the button below. So I just have to press this button and start mining immediately. So let me just click on it and see. You just have to choose the mining pool. Let me choose Nigeria, because Nigeria is actually available right now. And I'll click on this agree, and as you can see, I'll close this, and as you can see, the mining has started immediately. 23 hours 59 minutes 45 seconds. Alright, the mining starts automatically 24 hours. By this time tomorrow, I just have to come back to this app and click on this button, and I will start mining again. It doesn't need more stress. It's stress free. So after knowing how to mine on this platform, what is the next thing you have to know? The next thing you have to know, which is very important, is just for you to go to this button right here and click on my information, and all you have to do is just to put in your last name, your first name, to choose if you are male or female, choosing your date of birth, and you just have to put in your address, and you click on save, there will be a save button at the bottom of of this place. You just have to save it and you take it back. So this is not really my account. I just created this account because of the tutorial. So I'm not really going to put in those information. So I just have to click on this second option, which is user verification. As you can see, KYC. I will click on it, not verified, and I will click on continue. As you can see, complete ownership information over 30 days, which is marked. Exploit at least 30 Ruby. You have to know this, as in you must have at least 30 Ruby for you to acquire for this KYC, and you must also receive invitation from KYC 1.5. Stay with me to the end, don't go back right now, stay to the end, because I'm going to show you something that is very shocking. So let me back it, and you have already know the requirement for the KYC right now. So as you can see, the KYC, the Ruby, they just drop a news on the 14th. As you can see, on the 14th of March 2025, that's when they dropped the news that they are preparing for global KYC 1.6. Right now it's KYC 1.5, but they are preparing for global KYC 1.6. So let me just click on it and see some information there you have to know. So these are some of the information you have to know. These are some of the information you have to know, that the KYC 1.6 will be going live. Yes, KYC 1.6 will be going live. They are still preparing for it. So what will you do for you to receive invitation when KYC 1.6 actually go live? So all you have to do is just to click on this middle button right here, and you click on statistics, and also done. It's loading. Well, let me go back and try again. I think maybe this is a new account, that's why. So let me just quickly go to my account. Let me just log into my account and see for this. Let me log into my account. So I click on agree, and I will just have to put in my email address. Click on sign in, and this is my account. This is my account. This is my account. So they really pop up an ad, so I just have to cancel it. So I will just go to click on the middle one and click on this statistics, and as you can see, this is what should. I only have 28 Ruby right now, and I just have to click on this button as here, and as you can see, sorted by new member, old member, filtered by. I just have to, as you can see. So all you have to do is just to leave it at the new member. You leave it at all, and you click on apply. So after clicking on that apply, you go back again, and you click on old member. You leave this one at all. You leave this one at all, and you click on apply again. So with this, you will be given an invitation that you can actually apply for KYC once the KYC 1.6 is live. Yes, once the KYC 1.6 is live, you will be invited for KYC. So how can you see your referral code for referrals, for invitation to others? So you just have to click on this button right here, and you click on, as you can see, yes, this is my referral code. You just have to click on this copy right here, and as you can see, copy the invitation code to clipboard. So this is how you can actually start mining Ruby right now. That's everything you need to know about Rubi Networks. It's simple, beginner friendly, and doesn't cost you a dime. If you're interested in any free crypto from your phone, now is the best time to start. Download the app and begin mining today. And don't forget to follow me for more crypto updates.